Hi, it's me here from the Vlog Academy, and today I am going to have a look at the little wireless RØDE Go microphone. So we're going to have a look at the RØDE Go wireless microphone. I am going to show you what's in the box when you order it and how to set it up with your iPhone and your video camera. And we're also going to listen to the difference with and without the microphone connected, of course. So we're going to have a listen to the sound with the microphone, which is what I'm doing now. It's connected to my Sony Alpha 7 III at the moment, and this is what it sounds like. So I'm actually really genuinely pleased with this little setup. It's very stable and balanced and easy to connect, so I do recommend it. And we're going to have a listen to the sound without the microphone now. So I've now disconnected the microphone and I'm speaking directly into the internal camera microphone, and you can hear there's a significant difference in quality. So what's in the box? So I'm not going to unpack the whole box, but I'm just going to show you that it opens like this, and inside you've got a little quick start guide, which is quite convenient. Inside the box is a cute little pouch with a transmitter and a receiver. We've also got the patch cable, the windshield, and 2 charger cables. So let's have a look at the transmitter and the receiver. And as you can see, it's really small and lightweight, but it's still a professional broadcast system, so you could actually link up 8 systems together. The range is 70 meters, which is brilliant. You could actually be 70 meters apart and you still pick up the signal. They link up really quickly, so it takes about 3 seconds for them to link, which is also really quick. Now, the one thing I was concerned about when I bought this was that it's only got an internal battery, so you can't change the battery. You've got to charge it. And that was a concern of mine until I realized it's got a really good battery length. It's 7 hours. So as long as you charge it up after each use, you should be absolutely fine. You could also connect it to a power bank or something while you're filming in case you are worried. So let's have a look at the individual units. They both have an on and off button, so you just hold that in for a second and you will see that on the transmitter the lights turn blue here. It's not connecting yet because we haven't switched on the receiver, but when we do that, so you can see that's switched on, this blue light will stop blinking and it's now constant, which means that they are linked up. And this only takes a couple of seconds, as you noticed. The transmitter is actually a microphone in itself. You can see that it picks up the sound from here. But of course, even though it's small, it can be a bit clunky to put on a blouse. So what I prefer to do is to connect it to an external cable microphone. And you see the socket here, so you just plug that in there like this, and you've got a perfect setup for a conversation. So you can connect any microphone actually here. It doesn't have to be a cable microphone or clip-on microphone. It could be any microphone you wish. Other than that, it's just a charger as well, which slots in like this. And you can either plug it into a USB socket, or you could use something like an iPhone charger plug and ready to go, or a power bank if you wanted to. On the receiver, you've got a few more options. We're going to start with just clicking the on and off button lightly. You will see that there's a sun on the panel, and that is a dimmer. So it just means that you could set it to dim out after a few seconds like that to save your batteries. We're going to keep it on for now. You've got the battery levels of both the receiver and the transmitter here, which is brilliant. You can see how much is left. And on this, you can see that the receiver is fully powered up, but the transmitter is going down, so we need to charge that. You've got the volume level here. You can see that my voice goes up or down. You just need to make sure that it doesn't go up to orange or red, because then it's too loud. We've got a decibel setting here, so you can have 3 settings. You've got top, which is 0, but you can go down -12 or -24. And here's just the connection showing that it is connected to the transmitter. So it looks like the Wi-Fi signal icon here, and that should of course be as full as possible. The cable, the patch cable, goes in here, and then you just connect that to your camera and you are ready to get going. So how do you connect this to your iPhone? Well, first of all, if you're on iPhone, you always need to have an adapter to connect, and then you will also need to have a cable like this, which is called an SC7 cable, which allows you to connect to what's called TRRS items, like an iPhone, for example. So first of all, you need to put your adapter in, and you can buy these anywhere these days because we need them. And then you put this grey part in the SC7 cable into the adapter, and then we need to put that into the patch cable. You could get a cable like this with the SC7 part, which saves you one link between them. But that's all you need to connect with your iPhone, and the quality is really, really good on your iPhone too. So what is this dead cat doing here then? Well, it is actually called a dead cat sometimes for fun, but it is a windshield, and it just clips on to the microphone, and look at that. And I'm actually going to give this the Cutie Microphone of the Year award because it looks like a little man. And what it does is that it shields the microphone from wind or other interference a little bit. So if you're out and about, if you're filming external shots, then this is really helpful, and it's just going to protect the microphone from the wind mainly. So that's it. That's what was in the box. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, of course, just put them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all the how-to videos and upcoming top tips. And if you want to learn more about smartphone vlogging and vlogging for business, then do have a look at the training courses on vlogacademy.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.